for us right now. And I'd invite you now to close your eyes. So just close your eyes, make yourself nice and comfortable. Really relax and let go. And just allow your energy to follow these instructions. And take your awareness now to your left hand side. Take your awareness about 10 feet out to your left hand side. Now that may seem a lot, but it's amazing how far our energy extends. So just take your awareness there. Think of all those attachments that might be there. Those attachments could be people, could be situations, could be places. Just take your awareness there and just get ready to let go. So just imagine right now this beautiful golden razor just coming down and gently cutting away any cords that might be there. You may sense they may be thick, they may be light, but just imagine that blade just coming right down from the top of that energetic field all the way down your side on the left hand side, right down to the bottom. And as it's coming down, just see it's just gently bringing in this beautiful golden heat, just cauterizing any of those cords, just taking them away. And just rest and relax. And this time, take your attention 5 feet on your left hand side. Again, there may well still be cords there. It's amazing how these cords can attach. And we're just going to repeat that process. And as that begins to come down, once again, think of any cords that need to go on that left hand side, 5 feet from your body, and just see the beautiful golden razor gently descending, severing any of those connections that we'd like to release. Just release those connections. You don't even have to think about them. You can if you want to. You can just trust the process that we're cutting those cords, letting go what this doesn't serve us, who doesn't need to be there, and just feel that guillotine almost coming down to the bottom as we clear another part on the left hand side. This time we're going to bring in that razor right on touching our skin almost. Now just reassure you once again, we're not going to hurt ourselves doing this. It's a beautiful gentle process. So just imagine right now that energy coming down, cutting close to our skin, any of those attachments that don't need to be there. It's almost like a gentle caress of the energy coming down that left hand side, but you are releasing so much with your intention and with this Reiki energy that I've invited in for us. So just see that nice energy coming down towards the soles of your feet and just cutting away any cords that don't need to be there. So we've done the left hand side. Now let's go to the right hand side. So to the right hand side, once again, take your awareness 10 foot on your right hand side and just bring down that guillotine, that razor coming down, totally separating any cords that don't need to be there. It's gentle descent, freeing you from any obligations, any duties, maybe even past memories that you'd like to let go of. Just see it being released. As the energy now just gently comes down towards the floor and separating you from what you don't need to serve. come in 5 feet now on your right hand side, and again we will repeat that process. See that lovely razor above on your right hand side, gently cutting away all those strands and connections that just don't need to be there. And just feel that beautiful, gentle cutting motion coming down 5 feet from your body right now. This gentle, slow descent, separating you from any cords on your right hand side. This could be family, friends. We still love them. But what we're doing with this exercise, we are just bringing ourselves back to us. We are being whole again with just us. And just feel that energy now coming down on your right and being in a beautiful place of peace. Once again, we're going to go down on the right hand side close to our skin. So again, take your attention to the top of your head and just imagine this energy just coming down, coming close to your hairline, right down to your skin, like a beautiful, gentle, soft caress coming down, but effectively and easily taking away any connections that don't need to be there. Just let that energy come down on your right. It's beautiful, golden, healing touch coming down, healing you, but also freeing you, liberating you from what doesn't need to be there. Feel that energy come down your right hand side, right down your ankles to your feet, just completely letting go. And now we're going to take our attention upwards, over the top of your head, and again take it right up about 10 feet above your head. And again, just imagine that energy is probably going to arc forward now above your head from the back to the front. Just see that beautiful severance of unwanted connections. Almost like we're tidying up all those wires in our home. We've got to collect it all up and let so many of them go. Don't need to be there. So let's let that energy work that now. Imagine that razor coming through, severing all those ties that just don't need to be there any longer. You can use your breath as well if you want to, just to make that severance and give you that freedom all over once again as you let them go. Take your attention now 5 from the top of your head, and again allow that razor to just gently wander across the top of your head, releasing you, freeing you from all those burdens, and just feeling into that space of release. And as that energy is going across the top of your head 5 feet above you, have a think about what you'd like to let go. Always remember, you're in charge. This could be any memories you don't want to be there anymore. You can let it go. Cut yourself off from those times. That was then. This is now. This is the present. We're in the present, not the past. And just severing those links liberates us. And then once again, I'm going to go skin tight right across your height, top of your head. Always take yourself to the top base of your skull actually, and just imagine being running that smooth razor right across top of your head. And don't be surprised if you're drawn to thoughts much more here. because it's almost going into our mind palace and having a good clear out of what we don't need. So as that beautiful razor gets to work, gently caressing your hair and your head, just let go. Totally let go. Allow it to do what it needs to do. And feel that beautiful Reiki healing coming in as well, just for you in this space. Allow that energy to gently come over and free you right now. Now, take your awareness to beneath your feet, 10 feet beneath your feet, or if you're in bed, obviously 10 feet below the soles of your feet in bed. And once again, allow that golden razor to gently descend and sever all those unwanted connections right here, right now. And feel that freedom releasing you. Almost imagine like chains being released from your feet area. I mean, just let go. So those chains could go deep into the earth, holding you back for so long. Feel them being cut. Feel the freedom just for you. Allow that golden razor to complete its work. And then, of course, we're going to come up another 5 feet, so it's 5 feet from the soles of your feet right now. And once again, just allow that golden razor to descend, cutting away those things that hold you back. And don't be surprised as you're working here, you may get some tingling at the soles of your feet as we're working that energy, allowing that healing light to do what it must, giving you that sense of freedom even more lightness pouring into you right now as we continue to let that energy gently come down, liberating you even more. And of course, now we're going to come to our skin tight right through the soles of our feet, almost again just like this beautiful light caress as the razor now comes the soles of our feet, completely releasing those ties, those energetic ties to others, to memories, to the past, to feelings we don't want. Let them go. Let them go as that energy just gently strokes and takes those cords away from you. Really feel into that peaceful space. And now as a beautiful energetic whole, completeness around you now, totally free all those connections. And you can put the razor away now. And if you are still awake, put your hand on your heart and just tell yourself, I am free, I am liberated, I am lighter, I am light, I am love. Let those be your watchwords as you may go into sleep if you're playing this late in the evening, or maybe you're just playing this in a day where you feel that you need to let go of those energies. And I'd like you now, to those who've stayed, I'd like to thank you so much for staying this long. And if you are still awake and would like to have some novel ways of working with Reiki, please put "swipe me" in the comments below. And if you could be so kind as to share your experiences, what you got from this meditation, because when I did this in my group, there's lots going on. I'd love to hear what this has done for you, sharing those thoughts with me. And I shall stop there. Wish you all the very best. Thank you so much for being part of this. And I wish you all a sweet evening, a sweet rest, or you're playing this any other time of the day, a beautiful, restful day. Thank you so much. Much love.